iPhone not charging? Here is the reason. More often than not, iPhone users are faced with the challenge of a phone that refuses to charge. We all have been there before. It isn't such a pleasant experience. When in such a situation, our first reaction is that of frustration and helplessness. Most of the common issues you may face include iPhone charging port not working, iPhone not charging but headphones working, others say my iPhone won't charge but it says it's charging. Whether it's an iPhone 6 not charging, iPhone 7 or all the way to iPhone 11, this tends to be a common problem across the board. However, do not panic, as there is a short checklist of what you can look out for before calling us to offer you the much needed iPhone repair solutions that you may be seeking. Here we go. 1. Loose outlet connection. This one right here goes without saying. When your connection is loosely fitted, then your iPhone will not charge. Make sure all charging components are properly plugged in. If that still doesn't work, try charging your iPhone from a different socket. 2. Your charging accessories aren't Apple certified. Be sure not to get a fake charger or cable for your iPhone. Getting imitations is very easy, especially in Nairobi. The best place to get Apple certified accessories for your iPhones in Nairobi is Ultimate Tech. An Apple certified cable or charger will have a made for iPhone label like the one below. Fake chargers are harmful to your iPhone and also pose a threat to you, as they may start a fire. We recommend that you use original iPhone cable and original iPhone charger for your device. 3. Your charging port is dirty. This is one of the most common reasons why your iPhone has refused to charge. Dust finds a way to collect in the charging port, making it hard for your iPhone to establish charging connections. Back up your iPhone data to the cloud, then power it off before gently cleaning the charging port. You can get a digital cleaning kit that will help you with that. 4. Charging cable is damaged. Check your charging cable and USB adapter for signs of damage like breakage or bent prongs. Don't use damaged accessories, as they will further contribute to damaging your iPhone. You can also get a new original cable and or charger from Ultimate Tech. 5. Software issues. The iPhone software decides whether your iPhone battery will be charged or not. When you plug your iPhone into a power source, you are not connecting it directly to the battery. It is the software that decides whether to charge the battery or not to. If your iPhone isn't charging, the software may have crashed. This would prevent you from turning it back on or checking whether or not the phone is charging. To fix a software problem, your best solution is to back up all your data and then take your iPhone to eFix Tech Repair Store. Our iPhone engineers will fix your device within an hour. Recommended. 1. Always use a wall power outlet and check for firm connections between your charging cable, USB wall adapter, and wall outlet or AC power cable, or try a different outlet. 2. If everything is okay in the above checklist, force restart your device. This is how you can do it according to Apple support. iPad models with Face ID, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the top button until the device restarts. iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, and iPod Touch, 7th generation. Press and hold both the side or top button and the volume down button for at least 10 seconds, until you see the Apple logo. iPad with home button, iPhone 6s or earlier, and iPod Touch, 6th generation, or earlier. Press and hold both the side, or top, button and the home button for at least 10 seconds, until you see the Apple logo.